Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting every journal entry and matching it to your chart of accounts so you can post accurately. Once done, set up the ledger page with date, description, debit, credit, balance, and a journal folio column for traceability. Make sure amounts and account names exactly match the journal. This reduces posting errors. Next, identify which side, debit or credit, each journal line belongs to and mark the JF number. Now you're ready to post the first entries into the ledger. You now post every journal line into its corresponding ledger account using the journal folio reference to keep cross-check simple. As you enter debit or credit amounts, calculate the running balance so you can spot anomalies quickly. This helps you catch transposition errors. Once a posting is complete, mark the journal entry as posted. If you need to correct an earlier entry, record an adjusting entry rather than overriding. This preserves the audit trail and explains why balances changed. Finish by totaling debits and credits across each ledger account and preparing a trial balance to confirm equality. This verifies accuracy before financial statements. Once balanced, post any closing entries and transfer temporary account balances to retained earnings or capital. Make sure to back up your ledger and attach supporting schedules for material balances. If totals don't agree, trace JF numbers back to the journal and check for omitted or double-posted lines. One systematic trace usually reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.